My name is Sandeep Balaji Kotamar and today's date is 5 March 2024 and today's topic name is stack in Java. In Java, a stack is a data structure that follows the last in first out principle where elements are added and removed from the top of the stack. We can implement a stack in Java using the stack class from the java.util.package or by using the DQ interface with implementations such as array DQ or linked list. Stacks are used in various scenarios in programming, especially in situations where the last in first out behavior is disabled. The common use cases for stacks are first is expression evaluation. Stacks are used in evaluating expressions such as arithmetic expressions or postfix expressions. For example, converting infinix expressions to postfix nations and then evaluating them using a stack. Then second is a function calls and recursion. When a function is called, it executes its execution context, including parameters and local variables, is stored in a stack frame. Stacks are also used in managing recursion, where each recursive call adds a new stack frame. Then third is undo mechanisms. Stacks can be used to implement undo mechanisms in applications. Each action performed by the user can be paused onto a stack, allowing for easy reversal of actions by popping them off the stack. Fourth is backtracking algorithms. Stacks are used in backtracking algorithm such as depth first search to keep track of the current path being explored. When a dead end is reached, the algorithm backtrack by popping elements of the stack. Fifth is parsing and syntax checking. Stacks are used in parsing and syntax checking of programming languages. For example, in compiler constructions, a stack based parser, example LR parser, is used to validate the syntax of source code. Sixth is memory management. Stacks are used in managing memory allocation and reallocation. In languages like C and C++, functions called stack frames and local variables are stored in a stack like structure. Then seventh is expression parsing. Stacks are used in parsing expressions such as evaluating whether parentheses are balanced or not. Each opening parenthesis encountered in passed onto the stack, and when a closing parenthesis is interrupted it is popped off match. Then 8 is history management. Stacks are being used to implement history management in applications like web browsers or text editors. Each visited page or action performed by the user can be stored in a stack. User can be stored in a stack, allowing for easy navigation through the history. So this is all about the stack in Java. Thank you.